There it is. My little ride. Ride. Had this thing for like almost 3 weeks, I think. I'm loving it. Uh, Cost me like supposed to be cost 2,900, but he let me have it for 2,700 because I had problems with my last one that I got from him. Gave me a free helmet, but I bought another helmet, this helmet on Amazon for $99 when the actual worth is 200. So I've been getting some good luck on some deals. Sometimes it is winter though, it's fucking hot. Sometimes it's fucking summer and it's cold. Life, I guess. I'm gonna go to a gas station that's right up here and pick up a couple things. I'm actually gonna pull into this little plaza right here, just for a little bit. Park right here. Zip up my jacket because it is fucking cold. It's fucking cold. Well, here's my bike. Stop this thing here. I love it. Like, it even got a reverse on it. That's what I love about it. Reverse. That's on like a lot of electric motorcycle type bikes. With a reverse. I like night drives, but not when it's cold like this. And I'm wearing a like a like a silk type jacket and a thick jacket. So I'm wearing like two jackets, a shirt. I'm just wearing sweatpants. I had like water resistant pants that helped with the cold, but I couldn't find them because I'm in the middle of doing a whole thing of laundry. They had to be in an apartment somewhere because I literally bought some pants for my job because I work at a retail clothing store. I'm the assistant manager there and I love it. Don't like the customer disrespectfulness and all that, but it's a good job. Much I make good money. And here's the gas station. Hello. Oh, big chocolate. I don't like big chocolate. Darn, they don't have tea. Always get red diamond tea. Good, and you? Thank you. Which feel like some of you. My fucking visor getting foggy. Now my glasses getting foggy. I thought it was my visor. I'm wearing glasses. Should have gone the other way. I'm going the other way. The longer way. Too cold to go the longer way, but I'm going the longer way. I don't like talking around people because I don't want people thinking I'm going crazy or anything. Even though I have a fucking GoPro stuck to my helmet, attached to my helmet. My jacket's unzipped, going off the gas. Well, electric, whatever, throttle. Nope. Don't do that shit. My shit started wobbling when I let go of my last hand. When I let my last hand go, I'm trying to zip up my zipper. Forgot to zip it up to put my phone back in my pocket. Hopefully the light stays red so I can have enough time to do that. Come on, come on, come on. Stop. Don't change. Zip it. Put the fucking zipper. Got it. I had an electric bicycle, and I tried to find tires for it because I kept getting flats on it until I got this thing. I haven't had a single flat, not a single problem. Had it for almost 3 weeks now. I think this Thursday would be the third strike, like the third week officially of owning this thing. No problems really. The battery goes up to like 55. It said I looked up online. It said like 55 miles.